Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. Since we have a long holiday from New Year and also midterm presentation and also uh, the graduation, so it's time to get back to the school. So I will make it short because as you know, we will give you a task to do more about understand contemporary Thai. Okay, so this class is about experience design. We always start the class with this graphic. This one. As I told you, like contemporary is an idea of postmodern, but modern creating from top down and creating things only for functional. So when the design back to the modernity, all is always designed by government to design you a standardity, send it to the city, to the building, furniture, cloth, and everything that you will be designed for is only for modalities like function programming, standardity is always binary. We also study the city to understand contemporary art of living in different places. So this is an idea. If you travel around the world or if you will work in any place in the world, the contemporary is an idea that is make the place different, make the design different because it's dealing with more than one concept, not just only functional or modernity. It's about living. So once you see things as a contemporary concept, you will see like there will more than just one design. So that idea giving you to understand what is postmodernity looks like. So we just went to Chiang Mai and Thap Hair to learn about contemporary lifestyle in there. And from that, you take a photo, you set the topic, and also you do the theme that present your idea of contemporary. From the pictures, you paint blue on the things that were designed before and were designed for functional only. But you paint red on it because you see things is not belonging to just only functional or something that vibrant or something that happen occasionally or never temporary, never permanent but temporary. And once you understand the red and blue in the city, you will see what is the contemporary topic that you're interested in, and from that you present it by theme. So any one of you have different idea and have different point of view because is the idea it came from perspective of the designer. So last week is during graduation week. I gave you two clips. I hope you all watch it and also learn about it. So I want to recap about it. First clip is about design experience, not thing, by Abraham Burrickson. The Burricksons lead us to understand like all the things that we design, it's just not a design things, a functional thing but also architecture. It's never be like design things that collect something inside of programming user only. But we talk about how we creating a better design, how we creating a user to become a human. So he giving the books, the children book that lead us to understand how we design an experience. On this children book, it's just creating you a journey to understand what's happened and what is creating during reading a book is experience. From that book, it leading you to collecting things, experiencing things from a book to a digital. And from that books, he creating a journey by coding a music, a sound on the journey of the books. And then not just only yourself, but also creating a questioning to collaging or collecting somebody else's memory too, who journey in the same books. And you know what? And he put in that music experience and coding music into real site on the site. So any place that you travel along the journey, along the venue that he created, is experience the music in different environment, and that is how we design. So once you see, he just section, he just cut through the scaping, the contouring of the journey of music that he designed is so vibrant, and all of the user, all of the people who get into this journey, who experience the music, not just only experience book or music only, but experience the experience. They will understanding the music came from, the music that they design is merging to the contour, to the situation and environmental. So from that, it's never be only a spoon that we design, but we also design the way that you eat. You know what I mean? So all of this, when we talk about the design after modernity, about postmodern, we doesn't design something only for function. We never design car for just only a machine for riding, but we design an experience of going a place to another place, as well as spoon. We didn't creating a spoon just only for copying a spoon for functional. Anything depends on the architect data, but also we design an experience of eating, of tasting things. So that is the new way to design things. Design is just not only copying or doing the same thing, but we care about function. So this diagram that I show you, function is just something that is already designed, and one function is already controlled by many things, measurement, human body. But once you didn't belong to function, but you get and questions about how to design an experience, like you design a chair. No, you didn't design a chair, but you design a space for sitting that will creating more than just function, but experience. Thinking of like when you want to design a chair, no, you design a sitting space for human. And once you have to design a chair for Chiang Mai people, you will design an experience for of sitting for Chiang Mai people, not just copying a chair and decorated Chiang Mai ornament in it. Okay, design experience. We jump into the second clip that I sent you is the thing from Studio 216 that him design a new thing, but not a new thing. He want to merging reality into the design. From early year of the studio, he designed many things. It's about digital age to make people experience things in reality. It's called virtual reality. From that virtual reality to merging the real reality, we need many devices or many tools to get into this experience. And for right now, we have and we are our device to get into something that you design on digital and merging to the reality. But it's not real, right? For 21st century, from now on that we're living in 2025, we're talking about XR. It's merging real thing to the virtual things. And since we want to make that, how to make real life body physics to work to virtual, we need device. And those device is trying to immerse people to get into the experience as XR. It's about the whole thing mixed everything at once. So we need a Google, we need a glass, we need a platform to merging everyone. But to visualizing places in the mixed reality, we have to understand that XR is about collaboration. It's about the secure XR storage and analytics. Not just see things, but also the data is the key. The data is the source that you storage. And once the data from two things is merging to each other, is about collaboration. It's collaboration between something that you experience by perceptioning the real world and perception on the virtual world. And not just that, once you have two data and you collaborating, it's about analytic between two things. So XR is about you experience things by communication collaborative between two things that that's something desired already and that's something you experience in the same time. So once you use XR, it's not just about see things, but also collaborative things, mix everything. So XR, the definition of XR is extended reality. So your reality is just not only the thing that you perceive by hand, by licking, by smelling, by hearing, but you extend it in more than just three-dimensional, but in terms of four-dimensional as well. So we will focusing on these three words: virtual reality (VR), augmented reality (AR), and also mixed reality (MR). VR, I think you already know that, is the um, stimulate experience, employ 3D near eyes display and tracking things and immerse that you feel that you are in the virtual world. You already use VR glass, VR camera to experience things and it's tracking in the 3D that you feel like that uh exists in the real world. And AR is something different because it's augmented reality, the interaction experience about the real world and computer generated 3D content. It makes things more real because you interacted. Like you scan something and it pop up in 3D. Once you move camera, it's always move with you and you can touch it on the screen and it's effect to the 3D computer generated. That we call AR. So right now, VR and AR is different things. I just want you to know that because this is the table that you can see. VR is try to create things that people can see something emerge to themselves. But AR is a digital layer that sync to the real world. But MR mixed reality. They try to merge into things, stimulate two things, and combine two things in the same time. And we use our application to get into that reality. For VR, you most see things in tourism or video game, and about AR is about e-commerce, it's about marketing, it's about interior design. So you design things in the real world, merging to the another footage in another real world. On MR, we can see many things like military training, product design, video game, and also in this interior design. And that is a new thing right now. When we talk about experience design, it's just not only the design that you perceive by only physics or real world, but you also can design something extended reality as a XR. So right now, you can see like when we work online or work remotely, some of worker have to attain to another reality and work and try to making the social life in another platform like Johan. He worked in Bali, but he had to join a platform that may the colleague stay in the same place. You can just walk to another place, working place, and knocking the door, chatting in another platform to make the social life extended, even you work online. And also, the picture this you will see like VR, MR, AR is merging as a XR in the same umbrella. To understand, this is extended reality, not just augmented things or not just virtual things in another real world, but also merging things into extended more reality, extended more experience. So XR is the worst of them all. It's an umbrella terms of AR, VR, and MR. And everything is talk about reality. But that reality is the real reality as well. But reality creating an experience. So, what you want to extend more in your daily life, right? Right now, we didn't see each other. We are way apart. I recording my lecture to you, but what you want to make more reality. So, remember last assignment that we mm, try to merge your understanding of real thing into Changmoi and Taipei. Now I want you to creating another reality, merging to the existing thing. So remember the words experience. I want you more to experience places and try to get an idea, and those ideas that you get from your theme is something that you conceptualize, analyze, the thing that were lost, the thing that were never present to the real world. So I want you to create that topic and merging to the real thing. So question everything, guys. Question the way that you're walking. What is something lost? What is something that represent? What is something that can improve your everyday life more better, creating you a better life? So question things like once you walk into the hallway, once you experience anything, what is lost? What is more? What is left behind? What is be blinded that you can never say? What is blurred? What is real? Or what is authentic thing that is never existing anymore? So this leads you to task number three, extend, extended reality. So I want you to all creating another reality into the city. So this is a new place called Westgate and Sanpakoy. I want you all to experience Westgate and Sanpakoy in today, I mean Friday, Saturday or Sunday shows anytime that you are available. Experience the real place and raise the question. I would love to see the question belonging to the last uh, task, the last assignment from your theme. One of you might interested about the history. You can question about what is the history in that side. Or one of you fascinated about marginal people. Try to get your eye on that and select one photography, one street photography that you take on San Pakoy or Wat Khet, and you try to create another story that you think you want to put in, merging two picture as a one picture. So you will send me two picture. One is the street scene that you're taking, and another one is the thing that you will love to present on that state theme scene. So you will you will give me two picture. One is original and one is extended version, and send me to the mail before Monday. And Tuesday we will talk about what is extended reality that you want to present. Okay, so where is Watgate and Chiang Mai and San Pakoy? Remember Chiang Mai and Ta Pe? It's the street from Ping River, right? But right now we go more further to the east side. Watgate and San Pakoy is nearby neighborhood and is the street it connect from Chiang Mai to Chan Som Bridge, and you walk along Westgate District to Ta Pe Street, which is have Iron Bridge. So right now you will go to the red area between Chan Som Bridge to Iron Bridge to get an experience and try to get a question and what you want to add to the pictures. It could be anything, more people, more data, more authentic things, or when you want to present what is lost, what is left behind. And that's it for today lecture. And please enjoy what get and Bokoy and see you on next Tuesday. Bye bye and have a good day.